Hi foodies, I just made a sausage pancake and it is so yummy. And you know what? It was a last minute decision to make this, but let's get into it. So on the left, guys, I have some cooked breakfast sausages. They have some little holes in there because I was recipe testing. So those are just the holes from toothpicks. And then I have some pancake batter over here. These are cooked, guys. I'm just going to scrape this into the pancake batter. This was a last minute decision just to do something quick, right? I didn't want to have to go and make a lot of little pancakes. So I literally just decided to do one big pancake. So all the sausage is going in there. It's already cooked. All right. And then in my pan here, I have a little oil and some butter melted together, right? And then I'm just going to pour the batter inside. Now, of course, if you wanted to do small pancakes with the sausage stuffed inside, that's fine. I just wanted to do a big one because I didn't feel like making a lot and I had other stuff to do. So I'm just going to pour this in, and you want to spread it in the pan so that you get one big pancake. It's just for fun, guys. If you want to make small ones, fine, make some small ones. I'm keeping this over low heat because I don't want it to burn before it cooks, right? Because it is huge. So over low heat, and then we're just gonna watch for when those bubbles, turn up on top there, and then we will flip it. So just keep an eye on it, and you can check the edges to see if they're getting golden brown or if there are bubbles on top. Once you see those bubbles on pancakes, usually you know it's time to flip. So there are the little tiny bubbles there. And then we check the edges to see if they're getting golden brown under there. And once they look golden brown under there, then you flip it. All right. This was the tricky part, but I flipped it and it was good to go. So I cooked it about 3 minutes on the other side, and then now I'm cooking it for maybe another 2 minutes or so. And then I just take it out of the pan. This is so easy, guys. I mean, I had the sausages cooked already, and then I used pancake batter. You can use my recipe, or you can just use your favorite store-bought pancake mix. Just mix it up and add the sausages. It's just a different way to have pancake and sausages. And look, it's completely cooked inside. So it's just another way to have pancake and sausage. Change it up a little bit. And if you're not in the mood to make some small pancakes, you just slice it up and that's it. I serve it up with some maple syrup, of course, and it's that easy. Pretty simple. So have it with some maple syrup. You can put your butter on top if that's what you like. Whatever you like to have on your pancakes, it'll work perfectly with this. It is so delicious. It's still nice and fluffy. It's cooked on the inside perfectly. Enjoy!